Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Travel Tuesday. Thanks for joining us this week. Today, we're going to be discussing policy exclusions. Now, this is very important for you to know and read prior to traveling, and we will be going over some of them today. However, they do differ and change between policies, so be sure that you're reading your specific policy to know exactly what you are and are not covered for. But some of the most common questions here. First of all, why do policies have exclusions? If I have complications from elective surgery, is that covered? What happens if I drink too much and have an accident? My pre existing condition did not meet the stability period and I had a claim for it. What happens? And what happens if I ignore my doctor's advice and do not take the medication he or she prescribed? So let's answer these here for you. First of all insurance has exclusions. So every type of insurance, whether it's travel, home, auto, life, and so on and so forth, they are all subject to exclusions within the policy. And exclusions are important because there are certain things the insurance company just simply cannot cover. They cannot take the risk of them. If there were no exclusions at all, the insurance company wouldn't have enough funds to pay all of the claims that would arise, and your rates would be astronomical. So it would be a different industry altogether. And due to these exclusions, it helps the insurance company assess risk and determine what defines an eligible claim. So next, be aware of your actions. Travel medical insurance does not cover absolutely everything. Exclusions in the policy can be for good reason, and it's up to you to read them and make good judgment based on your knowledge. If your claim is caused by intoxication, it's not going to be covered. If you opt to have an elective procedure while traveling, the procedure itself or any complication that might arise from it is also not covered. Therefore, these are both exclusions in the policy, and they're two of the most popular ones we're asked about. A lot of people do get elective dental work when they're away, and maybe some cosmetic procedures. You just want to be aware of this before you choose to do this. So keep track of your health. We recommend keeping a medical journal to record dates of appointments, the results of the visit, any changes, new treatment, etc. And these medical journals can come in handy in so many circumstances, not even just for insurance purposes. They're very valuable to have with you. And if you don't meet your pre-existing stability period prior to traveling, you're not covered for that specific condition while you're away. So if you do have an issue with your stability, call your insurance provider as you may have options, and make sure you call them before you travel. Now take a proactive stance on your health and you'll find that this information might be incredibly useful. Heed medical advice. So a good rule to remember is that whatever appears in your medical files, your medical records, is what the claims department is going to investigate in the event of a claim. So if your doctor prescribed you medication that you're not taking, that is going to be an issue. So most policies do exclude anything for which you're going against your doctor's advice. And to just put this in an example for you, if your doctor has prescribed you a pill for your heart and you decide on your own that you're not going to take it, a claim regarding your heart will not be covered. So if you disagree with treatment, have that conversation with your doctor. Make sure any decisions are recorded in your medical file. And know before you go. So certainly know what's in those medical records prior to filling out any application and prior to traveling as well. Thanks for checking us out this week. We're the Travel Insurance Office Incorporated. We've been insuring traveling Canadians since 1991. Check us out online at travelinsuranceoffice.com or by phone at that number right on your screen. Have a wonderful week. See you soon.